Oh my god, I can't see. How do people do this?
That's on the beat.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm trying to be in a good mood, but something is always going wrong. I can't find my foundation so that I can do the ball cap method. So yeah, I mean, I have other foundations, but it's not really giving that. And I know I packed it. Like, I'm confused. Okay, what am I doing? Let me give an intro. Okay, I'm sorry. I just started without even saying anything. So, this is part 2. Let me start over. This is gonna be bloopers. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I look like an alien right now. I'm about to install my wig. It's been a lot going on that I've been so angry about. My birthday is on Tuesday. I'm leaving tomorrow to go to New Orleans. And yeah, these are my nails. Has a 22 on it, and then just some regular. I was supposed to do a nail vlog, which I'm glad I didn't, because I had a nervous breakdown about my eyebrows, which are terrible, but yeah. So right now I'm about to do the ball cap method and hope that it comes out right, because like I said, I don't know where my foundation is. I thought I packed it and it's not in my suitcase, so I'm just gonna have to try to make it work. So just watch me do this. So I'm gonna pull it all the way down so it's nice and flush. Haha. Please spin. Oh my god, I can't see. How do people do this? Okay, that's better, I think. Yeah, okay. Since my forehead is big, I like to bring my wig down like way past my hairline. So I'm gonna do that today. Blow dry it. I don't even get my hair braided anymore. It's just flat ironed and 2 braids in the back, but it's gonna be flat. I just am really angry at how my eyebrows look right now. Get my ears out. They stop acting dumb. None of my stuff is sharp enough. Okay, I think that's good. And I'm just gonna get these parts to lay down. I'm gonna add some other light color because it's a little too dark. It's probably not giving dark on camera, but it's dark in real life. I'm annoyed now. I mean, it looks a little bald, I guess. Just ignore the braids in the back. It's just the front is acting stupid. So, I'm going to be using the Ghost Bond. And I just recently watched... Okay. I just watched a video from like Tay's cheat sheet, and I did not know that we can actually apply the glue like back to back. I thought you had to let the layers dry, but the girl was like, no, because if you do that, it's going to be too dry and nothing to stick to. And that's true, because the last time I used Ghost Bond and I did that, it came off in like 2 days, and I was like, I don't know, but I'm gonna do that. Let me get a comb. Okay, so I'm gonna do like 4 layers because I want to really make sure that my wig does not come editing this, and I'm annoyed right now because my hair is messed up, and you'll see why, because I didn't wait for the front part to get all the way clear. I thought it was clear because it looked clear in the camera, but in real life it wasn't. So yeah, Saturdays. Okay, so I didn't film me doing my baby hair, and I don't really like them. Like, every time, this side looks okay, but like this, I don't know what happened. But this is the finished product. My hair is not straight or nothing. It's just blow dry, and I was trying to get this to do that thing. Y'all know the thing I'm talking about. But yeah, it's not perfect, but like, it's given for my first blonde, like super blonde install. So yeah, and it's giving scalp. It is giving scalp, but I'm gonna pluck my hairline a little more on both sides, because yeah. But I don't even know, like, everything just went wrong when I was trying to film. My phone died too. That's another reason why I didn't film the beat. I'm sorry. That's another reason I didn't film the baby hair portion, but it is giving, and I'm NOLA ready, 22 ready, so yeah. I still hate my eyebrows though, but whatever, it's fine. This hair, this is actually a pre-made wig. It's from Nadula hair, and it was $613. And it had, like, you could kind of see in the back. I didn't dye the back hair, and I need to cut that off. But it was like a light brown root color. But I wanted it to be dark roots because I was toning the hair. So yeah, it's like, I hope y'all can see the real color. But yeah, it's 26 inches. I think it's like 180 density. And surprisingly, it's actually pretty thick for it to be like long or whatever. I know my ends look scraggly because it's just blow dried or air dried actually. But I actually like this hair so far. I'm gonna see how it holds up when it's time to curl it and everything. So, ew. Yeah, but if you want to try out this hair, I actually do recommend it so far. And it wasn't, no, it was kind of high because it was 613, but that's what you gotta do for your birthday. So yeah, but I'll see y'all in a couple hours. How many hours is left? Like, it's less than 12, but so I hope I have enough footage. But tomorrow is the NOLA vlog. Hopefully I'll post this video tonight or tomorrow morning, and then my NOLA vlog will probably be up like next Saturday, because I'm going from Monday to Friday. I'm coming home on Friday, but the flight is at 12 tomorrow, but we're going to the airport early, so I'll have footage of all of that. So just tune in for my next video. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed me installing my birthday wig, and it's giving. For more content, like, subscribe, and hit the little bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And I'll see you in my NOLA vlog. Bye.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.